Isang food delivery rider breaks Philippine sprint record using a 2,500 bike frame. Sabi dito, yung frame na ginamit ni Honorica is costing only 2,500 and a wheel set worth of 12,000, which he raised from delivering food. A bicycle that astronomically pales to the equipment used by the elite countries. Yes, some are reaching millions, hundreds of thousands. So, ano yung lesson or takeaway na pwede nating makuha dito? No one's going to save you. You are on your own. You do with what you have. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi naman uusad yung ganitong klaseng records, achievements, pagkapanalo if you're not going to do anything with what you have. There's no perfect timing. There's no perfect moment. Those are all illusions. All you just need to do is keep on doing it and then improve with what you have. Huwag kayong mapupunta doon sa trap na tsaka lang kayo kikilos, tsaka nyo lang itatry. Pag nandun na yung perfect moment or perfect help or perfect timing, because that's all an illusion. It's a limiting belief that you will impose on yourself hanggang sa hindi mo na nagawa or na-testing yung mga bagay na pwede mong magawa sa kung anong meron ka.